Just acquired this Mercedes diesel. It's the AMG. It's got lovely smoke chrome alloy wheels, gleaming black metallic. Drives really well for its age and mileage. It's got rear park distance control. It's a C220 diesel. It's got the AMG styling pack. Boot area is in lovely condition. Got the half leather Mercedes trim, electric windows, electric mirrors. I was on 102,349 miles. Got the multifunction steering wheel. Got satellite navigation. I'll just load up there. Automatic headlights, cruise control, paddle shift on the gearbox. Also got Bluetooth, air conditioning, climate control. A lot of car for the money. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.